I've already bought one property recently, which is a very funny story actually to tell.
Go on, what happened?
I was watching auctions. I just thought, you know what, I'm in property, I might as well just learn how does auction work. So I went on Bond Wolf. I was watching the properties. I think this was the 200th property I was watching. I noticed that people can bid on a property 30, 40 times, you know, or even 10 times. I just thought, let me click a button to say I did bid as well. You know, someone who outbid me, of course.
Yeah.
Soon after I clicked the button, I got a text message to say you won the property.
Wow!
Yeah.
When did this happen?
This was November 2020.
So just a few months back now.
Yeah, just a
Crazy.
few months back.
And how much did you buy it for?
It was 24,000.
24,000. Where did you get the money from?
We didn't have any money, to be honest. It was such a very funny story. So there was no money at all to pay for the property. So I approached my bank. I just thought, oh well, because of the property that we live in, it does have equity. Yeah. But we had remortgaged a bit. But when I applied for the extra loan, they said we can only give you £6,000. I was like, £6,000, it will only cover the deposit towards the property. It won't cover everything. Yeah. So I used a financing loan, a bridging loan.
Okay.
So yeah, I used a bridging loan. They did a second attachment into the property and then provided.
So you took a £6,000 loan for the deposit?
No, I didn't take it. I just thought, I just said no.
So the bridging loan, did they give you the whole money to buy it?
Yeah, they gave me the whole money.
Wow.
Yeah.
They obviously thought it was a good deal.
They thought, yeah, but they attached the loan into our current property where we live in.
Oh right, got you.
Yeah,
got you.
I think because they knew it's a bit. It's worth a lot more.
So you bought it for 24 grand.
Yeah.
And you're going to be. Have you started renovations yet?
We finished renovating.
Oh, you finished?
Yeah, we finished.
You're a bit of a dark horse, aren't you? All right. So you bought it for 24. Yeah. You've renovated it, and how much is it worth now? It's
worth about £43,000.
And how much did you spend on it?
We spent just over £2,000.
Only 2,000.
Yeah.
Wow. Hold on. Where is this house?
It's in Bishop Auckland.
Oh, I know the area. Okay, yeah. Very cheap area.
Yeah. Great.
So you bought it for 24. You spent 2,000 on it.
Yeah.
So you spent 26,000 in total. It's now worth 43,000.
Yeah.
So what's the plan?
The plan is to refinance it.
Yeah.
The plan is to refinance and get all the money out and a little bit extra, and then use it possibly for another rent to rent. When more profit comes up, and then we'll
so
buy
that's
another property.
Pull all your money out deal.
Yeah.
Absolutely incredible. So you're going through the refinance now?
Yeah, we're going to start the refinancing.
Absolutely brilliant. How does it feel then to just be like, to be buying houses like that? That's just crazy.
It is crazy.
You accidentally bought a house?
Accidentally. It's called a serendipity moment, where you accidentally get something really good by accident. Yeah. Yeah, I still can't believe it today.
That is crazy.
Just from free knowledge from you.
Oh wow, it's great. And that's the thing, the crash course is free. You know, there is no catches, and I think a lot of people are very skeptical about rent to rents, buying cheap houses, about the free training. You know, what would you say to people that were even watching this video and thinking, I don't believe it, this sounds too good to be true? What would you say?
I would say to them, I'm here today, I'm doing property. I never thought I would be here doing any rent to rent. If you have any ideas about getting into property, start now. Time will not wait for you. I would advise you to go for training, whether it's buying a book, read, get more information, and take action.
Yeah, massive, wise words.